Hello everybody, and today we'll clean up, restore, and then afterward test this BLU branded phones. So let's get started. So the actual model of this phone is a BLU model Zoe 2.4. It has dual SIM and a micro SD card slot, and also a cameras and a flash. And here's the IME, and here's the dual IMEI, which I really don't care cause 3G phones are going extinct. So yeah, I really don't care if you use this IMEI for all the reasons. And that's it. So let's go ahead and clean this up because this looks super filthy outside. Ooh, I need some kind of gloves, really. But so first, let's put some glass cleaner onto this towel right here, which is onto the right side. There we go. And let's clean that up. And I have completed in cleaning these phones. Note that there are a few spots in which I was not able to clean, like this right here, and this one, which is actually some kind of scratch. But overall, this phone looks much better than before. Next up, I will grab a battery to test it, and from the looks of it, it looks like it takes the BL4C or the BL5C Nokia battery, such as this one right here. So I'm going to put that in, and this was the correct terminal, but it's not the right battery because, as you can see, it's protrude out just a little bit right here. So it needs a BL4C battery. But anyway, let's turn it on. I think that battery is discharged completely. So let's grab another fully charged battery right here, which I know it works. And it works. And as you can see, the phone worked perfectly, except for this crack right here. And as you can see that there, I can click on the button right here, such as the menu, which looks super funky. I really don't know why. Let's go to settings, some security settings, some calculator, organizer, multimedia. It also has an FM radio, camera, image viewers, some video recorder, which for this phone is probably just like some super low quality recorder. And yeah, that's it for this phone. It works and it's fully restored. That's it. Thanks for watching.